Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the part and protecting yourself. Put on gloves and eye protection and ventilate the area. Once done, clear paint and corrosion around the head so tools bite. A small file or brass brush works. Now apply gentle, focused heat with a soldering iron or a small torch to soften the melted metal. Heat the surrounding plate, not just the screw head, because thermal expansion will free the bond. Make sure to keep heat steady for 30-60 seconds. You next drill a centered pilot hole for the extractor. Use a low-speed drill and pause to avoid melting more material. Once the hole is clean, insert the extractor and turn counterclockwise with a wrench. The tapered flutes will grip and back the screw out. If it binds, tap the extractor lightly with a hammer to set the bite, then alternate short bursts of heat and penetrating oil to loosen seized threads. Make sure to avoid excessive torque that could break the. You finish by cleaning and inspecting the hole. Run an appropriate tap or thread file through the threads to restore fit and remove debris. Once clean, install a replacement screw of the correct grade and apply anti-seize to prevent recurrence. If the extractor breaks, don't panic. Drill out to the next size and use a left-hand bit to try backing the fragment out. Make sure to work slowly and keep parts cool to avoid further melting or warping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.